So yeah, hmm. Let's get this ball rolling. Hey Mustafa, how are you? क्या हाल है आपके? So as Yasser comes up, we shall start up with our interview, and I hope you guys are good. Hi Mustafa, I'm good. How are you? Long time. How's everything going? I wouldn't mind you also doing the same thing. I can see you doing all these things. Your wife is doing a really good job. I'm following her. She's the whole mother thing is really cool, and your kids are really cute. Yeah. Or how's everything? I hope all's well. So yeah. Okay. I just got a text from Yasser. He's coming on, so we shall be starting off in a minute. So I hope you guys enjoy the session. Most welcome, Mustafa. Most welcome. Lots of love to Rahim and Mira. Hey Sidra, how are you? I hope you guys are doing good. Just starting off in a minute. Yasser is having some net issues. Nothing new in Pakistan though. I hope that's fixed. I hope it doesn't really bother us in the middle of the interview. Yeah. Yes, you can wait. Yasser will be here in a minute. So as he comes up, so we shall be starting off, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Besides that, you can name in people who you want next, and we shall arrange something for the next time too. And I can get hold of some uh, other people, and could be from any profession. It doesn't really matter if it's the celebrities or uh, the showbiz field. We can also have somebody from the healthcare professionals or from a business side. Anybody, because here the intention is just to basically know what people want to do and what are doing, and could be the common person, could be anybody who's known. We last time we I interviewed Dr. Mohsen. He is, and he's a great doctor. He's a director at Clinic 5 and doing a lot in public health sector in Pakistan. And he told us about his story with how he fought corona and all those problems. So yeah, this is on today. Yasser is giving me a lot of time, and I just wonder where he is. Thank you, thank you, Isha. I know you guys are waiting for Yasser, and so am I. So I hope he comes around soon. So as he comes up, then we shall start up with our softcore interview. Yeah. Hi Nawal, it's an honor to have you here. I know you're a celeb yourself, and I know Yasser will be glad to see you here. So yeah, great to see you. I I wonder where Yasser is. I wonder. I got a text from him like the past 10 minutes now, and I wonder where he is. खैर सेलिब्रिटी हैं, आ जाए तो फिर बात करते हैं उनसे. So yeah. So how's everything? How's the quarantine coming? I hope you guys are staying home, taking care of yourself, taking care of your homes, and taking care of your families. Um, I'm a health professional myself, so I would definitely tell you people to do the same. Stay home, be careful, be gloves, mask on, all those routines. Do that. Don't just get out of the house if you don't really want to, don't really need to. So if there is a need, then go for it. And yes, so Mr. Yasser is here finally. Mr. Yasser. Let's see if he's in a mood to come on. Assalamu alaikum, Yasser.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
क्या हाल है आपके? आप बहुत ही बिजी आदमी है भाई.
यार बस मैं एक जगह पे फंसा हुआ था, सो आई वाज लाइक मैंने आपको इन्फॉर्म तो कर दिया।
जी, मैं बार मैं लाइव जाता था और फिर मैं वापस आता था. मैंने कहा अच्छा मैं क्या करूं, मैंने कहा अच्छा वेट
मैंने
कर
अभी
लेता
क्या
हूँ.
किया, मैं पहले अपने
हाँ.
लाइफ पे चला गया था अभी।
ओह थैंक यू.
फिर मुझे ख्याल आया कि आई हैव टू गो टू योर लाइफ।
Yeah, thank you so much. It's alright, it's a celebrity thing. It's alright. You just don't know what to
ये
do.
बदनाम
There's so
किया हुआ
much
है,
love coming around.
ये बदनाम किया हुआ है। आई थिंक दीज आर द मजबूरीज वी ऑल हैव टू हैंडल यार।
That's true. तो कैसा चल
साल
रहा है?
के बाद
How's the quarantine doing you?
यार it's a question you get to ask a lot of times with a lot of people.
Yeah.
And I think for everybody is the same thing. It's everybody is like munching a lot, not
Yeah.
working out. Plus
My next question is about that actually. My next question is about that. तो जी, तो
Plus
आप
the
क्वारंटीन में
Ramadan.
क्या? हाँ, प्लस द रमजान, एब्सोल्युटली. जी बड़े कूल लग रहे हैं आप.
मुझे
यार
गर्मी
no
लगी,
worries.
पता नहीं क्यों मुझे बहुत गर्मी लगी है।
अभी हीट वेव आ रही है from the 5th also. So be
I know,
prepared
I
for that
heard.
also.
मैं कल I was sitting with my friends and I was telling them कि यार तो अच्छा, yesterday I was shooting for Eid collection, which I
अच्छा.
hardly think people are going to buy clothes now.
Absolutely.
So वहाँ
yeah.
पे इतनी गर्मी हो रही थी and I was fasting. The only thing I can think of is water.
Obviously, because you don't really feel hungry. You feel like just having water. That's it.
और
The
इस
thirst
रमजान
is
के
there.
अंदर
हाँ.
something very weird that I'm not even like hungry at all. सहरी में भी नहीं, इफ्तार में भी नहीं. I'm just eating
हाँ.
very small portions of food. भूख ही
नहीं,
नहीं लगी।
ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज मैं ये बल्कि आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, जैसे आप एक एक्टर भी हैं, मॉडल भी हैं, लेकिन फॉर एन एक्टर एंड मॉडल isn't it difficult being into quarantine because workouts are compromised, obviously food cycle is compromised, then your shoots are compromised, all these are compromised. So how are you coping up?
I think it's just not for, but I can talk for myself. As a professional actor and model, it is quite difficult because what we are immune and what we are used to is meeting a lot of people every day.
Absolutely.
Different personalities on set.
Yeah.
But since we've been doing it for so long, so we get used to it. अब जब quarantine शुरू हो गया, हम लोग ये realize नहीं हुई. I actually feel like caged. Although before quarantine, I was not that outgoing of a guy.
Yeah.
I stick at home. Play video
I know
games.
that. Yeah, I know.
You know it.
Yeah,
लेकिन
I know
अब
it really well.
लेकिन अब things जो compromise हो रही है वो सिर्फ वही है कि आप जो चाहते हैं करना वो कर नहीं सकते. There is a timing to it. You can go out.
Yeah.
Social जो places हैं वो सारी बंद हुई हुई है. So you're not meeting people. And especially me, मैं थोड़ा सा इस तरह ख्याल रख रहा हूँ कि I'm not meeting a lot of guys or girls or friends because of the coronavirus thing.
Yeah. All right. Obviously you need to keep your distance. Too hot today, huh?
Too hot.
Well,
Sharia,
hot
you're too
today.
hot to handle, man.
All right. I'll take it as a compliment. And I'll get back to you. And go ahead, watch Netflix for that if you want to.
Really? Watch Netflix while talking to you?
Nah. Afterwards.
Yeah.
So खैर अच्छा तो ठीक है आपका सब कुछ तो I mean what about your workout? Because I know in this time
यार
of era कि आपको बहुत जरूरी है for being an actor and a model you have to have a certain body or you have to have a certain healthy lifestyle and everything. So what about your workout? Because I don't know if you're doing your gyms or all those things.
I'm not working out in any gym because gyms I think are closed right now. But मैं घर पे workout कर रहा हूँ. I'm working out very intense. I'm having some intense sessions. I'm doing cardio right before iftar, like 30 minutes before iftar.
That's crazy.
Yes. और जब मैं iftar से वापस आता हूँ, I'm panting like anything. I'm like,
Yeah. Seriously.
और I just need water. तो जैसे ही वो मैं अफ्तार से वापस आता हूँ, there's hardly 5 minutes or 3 minutes
Yeah.
left to have water and stuff. But that's the perfect time. और फिर मैं योगा कर रहा हूँ on alternate days.
अच्छा.
Yes, I started
Very
yoga
nice.
for like two months ago or 3 months ago now. It's
Very
amazing.
nice. Very nice.
I feel light, Shahriyar. I feel like I've got no burden in my life.
Oh my God. But that's also really bad. You shouldn't feel like you should feel the burden, strive more and more. Even though आपका
Anyway,
struggle का
I
period
feel
तो
no burden anyway.
लेकिन मुझे ये बताओ कि I think it's been a long while you've been in the industry है ना मॉडलिंग एंड एक्टिंग करते हुए हो गए 10 साल हो गए कम से कम भी
Woof.
हो गए ना
In this industry, मुझे 9 साल तो
because I was
industry
going through your stuff, your work experience and everything. You've come a long way, mashallah sir.
Yes, it's been 9 years since I started, and
Yeah.
I never knew that I would be on TV or anything ever.
Yeah.
I knew
Acha.
I'm a good-looking guy, but I didn't know that.
Oh well, absolutely. I mean, absolutely. You can hear from the girls on the comments. It's all right.
But I wasn't sure that TV would be my thing because I was studying bachelor's from Iqra University,
Acha.
and my plan was to go back to Muscat and work in a marketing firm.
Acha.
But अल्लाह ने कुछ और प्लान किया था. अल्लाह ने बोला नहीं तू अदाकार बन.
तू मार्केटिंग करेगा लेकिन ब्रांड्स के लिए
तू ब्रांड के लिए करेगा. So it's been 9 years. ड्रामा स्टार्ट किए हुए मुझे 4 साल हो गए.
हाँ बिकॉज आई थिंक द जो एक उसको कह सकते हैं माइलस्टोन हिट जहाँ किया था वो या तो तोहमत से था या अमृत और माया. व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
यार माय फर्स्ट लीड प्रोजेक्ट वाज विद मदिया इमाम जिसका आजकल फैसल कुरैशी के साथ एक ड्रामा आ रहा है. आई एम नॉट श्योर.
बिल्कुल.
ड्रामा वेरी बैड विद नेम्स.
स्टार इट्स ऑलराइट. Celebrity को
No, yaar, I feel so guilty. I feel so guilty. Yesterday, I met this guy at shoot, and we were talking about industry and stuff. And I was telling him that all these male actors, not all these male actors, but quite few male actors who been in this industry for more than 2 decades, are recently started getting more work now. For example, exactly this is the point where I forget all these names. Like, अब मैं उसको किस तरह बता रहा था. मैं उसको बता रहा था कि यार वो तुमने वो नहीं देखा वो जो हीरा मानी के साथ आजकल हर ड्रामे में आ रहा है. तो उसने फिर मुझे एक नाम बताया. I'm so bad with it. I feel so like I'm sorry for all these co-actors.
Very bad यार.
अहमद.
अच्छा बस सही है. मैं आगे ऐसे सवाल पूछूंगा को-एक्टर के तुम ये है.
अच्छा Shahriyar, do you write these questions beforehand or like how do you go with it? What's your process?
For you, I have something like this.
Oh my goodness. Yesterday when I was coming home, I was like, Shahriyar, कल basic सवाल ना पूछे यार.
है ना मजा नहीं आएगा ना.
हाँ ना फिर वो टीवी वाली बात हो जाती है where it's all censored and very.
Why not? So you wanted something hip and happening like something coffee firm, right?
Some silly masala on it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So अच्छा, तो what would you be preferring कि अगर आपको एक मौका मिले कि बस आप एक्टिंग करें या आप मॉडलिंग करें, ठीक है, what will you choose?
It's I do both.
And हाँ,
I do both, but it's very tricky question in a way that ये जो दोनों categories है ना, modeling and acting की,
yeah,
these are totally opposite to each other. What I
बिल्कुल
enjoy
true,
in acting is playing somebody which I'm not.
yeah,
That is acting for me, to getting into a character which you don't do every day, which you're not every day. जैसे अभी मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा हूँ, acting में भी हम लोग इसी तरह ही बात कर रहे होते हैं, but
बिल्कुल,
the transition of the character in a drama, कहाँ से start होता है, क्या होता है, उसको प्यार होता है, it's like a life period of a normal guy.
yeah, true. और प्यार पे तो
And
आप बिलीव नहीं करते।
किस पे?
प्यार तो एक इल्यूजन है।
प्यार एक illusion है मेरे ख्याल से। यकीन तो मैं करता हूँ प्यार पे। I think it's the most beautiful thing, but I think love is an illusion, which I just recently found out yesterday.
अच्छा, oh yeah, I saw your live session, which it was a very intense one, only about love and the illusion about it, and there's no love in
I
the
don't know.
world.
I was driving back home and I was getting all these thoughts. I was like, why not share it?
Yeah, नहीं वैसे at times it's very at times really good क्योंकि you start talking what you actually feel like, सही है,
Yes,
it's not scripted like an actor you
it
are,
is not.
सही है, you want
And
to
Sharia,
you
I
want,
feel,
हाँ,
and I feel the this is what social media has come to, that people
yeah,
actually write or post or share anything they feel like. That is what makes the
बिल्कुल,
connection closer with the people and the audience right there. You can relate with it. मुझे नहीं
that's
पता,
true,
मैं कभी
that's
कभी
true,
बड़ा डीप हो जाता हूँ, कभी कभी फनी हो जाता हूँ, कभी कभी I do
nah,
some very lame stuff, but that's who I am. You know, I
nah,
don't have to sit back and act like a superstar.
that's true, and you are
Which
one
we,
माशाल्लाह से अब तो, है ना,
I wouldn't call it a superstar. मुझे कोई भी कहता है कि आप तो एक एक्टर हैं, आपके अंदर बड़ा एटीट्यूड होगा और ये वो, मैं कहता हूँ I treat myself as a normal guy doing just a different job, which is very
yeah,
mesmerizing for other people, but for me it takes a lot of hard work. For example, look at
that's
you.
true, हाँ.
I would rather do your job than do mine. Getting into people's mouths.
Oh well, as people don't know, I'm a dentist too. Yeah, so yeah. Before people think about all the other things, So I'm a dentist by profession also. So yeah.
Yes, I know. Yes. Sharia is a dentist. उन्होंने काफी मेरी dental
Yeah.
surgeries की है. And he's one of the
काफी
ones
जनरल
like
सर्जरी.
I recommend people to go to.
Thank you so much. बस इसीलिए बस मेरा काम हो गया, खुदा हाफिज. Well, अच्छा, तो अच्छा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज कि when you started off और अभी भी, चलो अभी तो I think your family would be supporting you, but initially because I don't think so you're from a background of acting
No.
or showbiz, and not at all. You're an outsider.
Yes.
So for an outsider, does it feel that there's no family support or surrounding, but general struggle बहुत ज़्यादा है?
Yaar, truth be told, I've been very lucky in this case.
अच्छा,
मुझे, like you have seen my transition. You have seen me when we met Noreen की
yeah,
शादी पे. And
बिल्कुल,
that was the first time we had the interaction.
yeah,
But मुझे ये लगा कि I've been very blessed with the people I met, the time that I wasn't even sure about anything. And for example, Usman Malkani was the guy who got me into this forcefully.
अच्छा,
He was like, I was doing a favor for my friend for a shoot.
yeah,
He wanted 2 guy male models, and he called me up, and I was like, मुझे तो university जाना है. He was like, please यार favor, and I wanted. उसके बाद I never
yeah.
stopped. I never looked back.
You
मतलब
enjoyed that.
मेरा, because I enjoyed that and I wanted to become a director at that time. So I started filmmaking
अच्छा,
for 3 years.
oh, all right.
I wasn't so amazed with being a model. जब मेरा 2 ads on air हो गए थे ना, तो मुझे
Yeah,
यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर everybody was like ये Telenor guy, Telenor boy,
yeah.
DJ's boy. Then I was like,
Is it?
okay, now this is interesting. But still, I wanted to
Yeah.
become a director. I still find the director's job very nice, and I still कभी-कभी मैं कहीं अपनी direction निकाल लेता हूँ. But
No.
what was the
I
question?
mean, you feel that in the future that you will be directing something rather than just
Yes,
being acting.
definitely,
है ना?
definitely, definitely, definitely. This is the craft I've
हाँ.
learned with passion, and I would love to put it out in the work.
हाँ. अच्छा मुझे भी बताओ कि व्हाट ये बड़ा एक अजीब सा सवाल है लेकिन ये कि व्हाट इज द मोस्ट यूजलेस टैलेंट यू हैव अ यूजलेस टैलेंट
Useless talent. I mean, whatever talent you have is useful in its own way.
नहीं आई मीन किसी के पास टैलेंट होता है वो बाथरूम में बहुत अच्छा सिंगर होता है ठीक है
हाँ तो फिर मेरा सिंगिंग है.
अच्छा आप सिंगिंग भी करते हैं
Useless. Useless talent to ask for. Singing भी नहीं. अब तुम यहाँ से ये नहीं कर देना. अच्छा यार singing का गाना गा के सुनाओ. नहीं, it's the useless talent. I play guitar. Very nice.
अच्छा
But useless talent मेरा singing में बहुत बुरा गाना गाता हूँ.
So you have a knack for music, right? Because I've heard a lot of live sessions of yours. उसमें music जो होती है बहुत मजे की होती है, and you like
यार
rock and
I
pop
have
songs, है ना?
I love all kind of genres.
Hmm.
तो जो भी I look for new music. I have a huge collection of new music, upcoming artists और पुराने गाने. But I'm more into every genre, mostly every genre. Yeah. Not
Yeah.
one goes with the mood.
Basically,
I'm more into jazz and blues.
uh, and you love the look also, no? With the cap and all those hats, you love that look, I
Yes.
believe. Yeah, na? Because when you scroll
Yes.
down your Instagram, you love that look.
Yes.
You need
I
you
love
need
fedoras. I love hats. I love caps.
yeah.
I love accessories.
You love the mafia look because I believe you have a look of a
Yes,
old
I am
Godfather, you
in
know.
love with the Italians basically. How they
Yeah.
dress up, how they carry the style and everything, the suits, the fedoras with the suits, the trench coats. I love the Italian styles. And then you
अच्छा
get influenced by the movies.
हाँ ये भी that's true. But
Godfather
what do
is
you
one.
think? अच्छा Yasir, please name her, please. Michelle Rajput. She's a big fan of you, I believe. उनका
Hello,
नाम शॉर्ट आउट
Michelle.
कर
How
ले.
are you? Thank you, everybody, for joining and listening. Whatever this amazing interview is going right now, and Sharia is with me, and I just want to read up. खुद ही बात करना है तो
ये देखो
रिप्लाई कर. अच्छा ये
पर्सनल
नाराज
बात
हो
हो
गई
रही
मेरे
हो.
से.
हाँ इसीलिए
नाराज
मैं
हो
कह रहा
गई.
हूँ कि नाम ले लो भाई.
Sorry, Michelle Rajput. Michelle Rajput. Michelle Rajput. I'm so sorry, yaar.
Yeah, and I'll send a copy to her with you taking his name, taking her name
Yeah,
copy.
I
ठीक है?
think Sharyar has a segment where fans can write in the questions and we'll answer that. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
So we will, even if anybody wants to, again, I'm going to repeat it, कि anybody wants to ask questions to Yasir, वैसे तो from my feed also, there are plenty of people who gave me some questions. उसमें काफी questions ऐसे हैं जो लोगों ने पूछे मैं आपसे.
That's right.
और जी हाँ, तो and I will be
Sharyar,
leaving this
my
live with
fans would
हाँ.
get to know that I'm online right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
They can see it. They can see it. They can see it on your feed. तो आप भी देख रहे होंगे लाइव कि आप लाइव हैं तो वो आपके उसमें भी आ सकते हैं. तो अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताइए कि who is your favorite celebrity?
In
एक
Pakistan?
favorite celebrity in Pakistan. हाँ in Pakistan. चलो हम पाकिस्तानी प्रमोट करते हैं. एक favorite celebrity and who you want to be like a celebrity.
A celebrity.
हाँ.
My favorite celebrity in Pakistan, as in pure acting, is
Yeah.
there are a couple, but I would suggest Noman Izaz is one of a kind. As in
Yep.
pure actor. You've seen Noman
I can.
Izaz? You know Noman?
Yeah. मैं असल में I phased out because I was thinking of some drama of his जो मैंने भी देखा था और बहुत जबरदस्त था वो. यार I'm not sure. It's been 2-3 years. काफी पुराना ड्रामा लेकिन तो नया ड्रामा नहीं था वो. लेकिन बड़ा जबरदस्त ड्रामा था. And his
Noman
presence
Izaz
because
is one of our actors
हाँ.
जिसके ऊपर acting खत्म हो जाती है यार. How he acts.
हाँ. His screen
Even
presence
Shafkat
is really
Seema.
good.
Yeah.
Shafkat Seema
Even
also?
Shafkat Seema.
Yeah. इन लोगों की presence है.
स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस है.
ये
शफकत
तो है.
चीमा नॉर्मली भी जब बात कर रहे होते हैं ना तो इतना ठहराव, इतना
Yeah.
ऊपर नीचे, इट्स अमेजिंग टू वॉच, जस्ट टू वॉच. अभी मैंने रीसेंट प्रोजेक्ट किया है लाहौर में, शफकत चीमा उसके अंदर एक कैरेक्टर प्ले करने. आई वाज जस्ट सिट एंड वॉच
अच्छा.
हाउ ही टेक्स हिज टाइम एंड
Yeah.
because our generation has changed the dynamics of an actor.
True.
अब बहुत
That's
तेज हो
true.
गई है एक्टिंग. इट्स वेरी क्विक
Yeah.
नाउ. उस टाइम वाले जो पीटीवी के जो पुराने लोग हैं ना, वो बड़ा टाइम लेते हैं भाई डायलॉग देने में, और वही स्क्रीन पे फिर प्रेजेंस डिफरेंशिएट कर रही होती है.
ये तो है. यहाँ पे मोस्टली ये है जो एक्टर्स कुछ आई थिंक के हैं वो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बॉडी बना लो, शक्ल अच्छी होनी
हाँ.
चाहिए, दैट्स इट. आई थिंक until
शक्ल
you know how
बॉडी,
to act,
you don't
it
know
will
how to
last
act,
for,
you cannot act.
it will last for 1 or 2 projects, but उसके बाद से
That's
then you'll
it.
phase out.
And then people will know that he cannot act. He cannot act. Then वो कितने सारे
True.
खूबसूरत चेहरे हैं, they don't get work.
बिल्कुल. देखो मुझे आज तक काम नहीं मिला.
You didn't even try.
हाँ वैसे ये भी था. वैसे you know Rana, right?
मैं जैसा
राणे-
बंदा एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ तो तुम तो पता नहीं क्या क्या कर लोगे.
अरे अच्छा, मुझे लग रहा है बहुत डेंटल ट्रीटमेंट का काम है. तो अच्छा, आई हैव अ रैपिड फायर विद यू. ठीक है.
Oh, love it.
ठीक है. First of all I'll be taking 2 names. You have to choose one and just in an instant. ठीक है. नवाल और नौशीन इब्राहिम.
Nawal, who's Naushin Ibrahim?
अच्छा, you played, you acted with her, dude.
Acha, is she Ibrahim in the end?
Yes.
Definitely Nawal.
Okay. मोमिना खान
Naushin is
और
Tomat wali, na?
जी.
Is she Ibrahim in the end?
Yeah.
Oh, no, no, she, okay, whatever. Nawal.
अच्छा, अली जफर और आतिफ असलम.
Ali Zafar, all the way.
यासिर हुसैन एज एन एक्टर और शरियार मुनव्वर एज एन एक्टर.
शरियार मुनव्वर, प्यारा है.
यार है. फवाद खान और हमजा अली अब्बासी.
फवाद खान.
नदीम बेग और सोहेब मंसूर.
Nadeem Beg. I have worked with
Sure.
Nadeem Beg and
हाँ.
I have worked with Nadeem Beg. He's one of amazing guys. Amazing guys.
अच्छा, अब मैं ये सवाल कैसे पूछूं? मुझे
पूछो,
नहीं पता
पूछो.
कि तुम्हें याद भी होगा कि भी नहीं. भाई, मोमिना खान और नौशीन इब्राहिम.
Naushin Ibrahim. I know
Tell me
Momina.
who they were. Who are they?
Momina was the girl in Tohmat जो second जो बहन थी उसकी, I think, है ना? Naushin.
I salute you. I salute you for that.
For remembering.
ठीक. Yeah. अच्छा, शफकत मोइनुद्दीन और कामरान अकबर खान.
Kamran Akbar Khan. Shafkat Moinuddin is amazing, but Kamran bhai is like, whew, all the way.
अच्छा, जिम और आइसक्रीम.
Jim,
Seriously?
not ice cream. मेरी बहन ने 2 दिन पहले मैकडोनल्ड से मैकफ्लरी और संडे ऑर्डर करी. And I was so like, oof, it's been, I think, 6 months I haven't had an ice cream, but I did not.
That's a big thing, वैसे. That's a big thing.
Very good.
अच्छा, if you want to live somewhere, where would you prefer? Gilgit या फिर Budapest? I know you're a traveler and you're an adventurous guy.
यार,
तो
I think Gilgit.
Gilgit?
I like nature. I like nature.
जब मैं ये सवाल लिख रहा था, I had an idea कि तुम गिलगित बोलोगे, and that was just कि क्योंकि एक पाकिस्तानी सेलिब्रिटी जो है वो गिलगित ही बोलेगा.
मेरा ये कोई चक्कर नहीं है. मेरा, I am very blunt. I'm very straightforward. I don't care
अच्छा.
about promoting or not promoting. It's just because आई लव नेचर. अगर तुम उसकी जगह पे मालदीव्स डाल देते और गिलगित डालते तो मैं मालदीव्स चला जाता.
Yeah. अच्छा,
आई लव
चले
नेचर.
दीपक परवानी और आसिम जोफा.
दीपक परमानी.
नोमी अंसारी और आसिम जोफा.
नोमी अंसारी. नोमी अंसारी इज अ डियर फ्रेंड.
ईमान अली और नवाज.
ये कैसा सवाल है? ईमान अली.
जवाब देते देते रुक जाता है इंसान,
ईमान.
तो बस मैं समझ जाता. ईमान अली.
हाँ एक्ट्रेस यार.
अच्छा, मायरा खान और महविश हयात.
महविश हयात. Friend circle. You gotta keep your friends close.
I know that. I pretty well know your friend circle.
I
That's why
know
was
Myra too. I know Myra too, but I've
हाँ.
been very close with Mahvish. Yeah.
अच्छा,
Still
परेहट
strong
लव, परेहट लव या छलावा?
Parehad love. Oh,
क्या?
मुश्किल
क्या?
क्वेश्चन है. मैंने फॉरेन परहेट लव बोल दिया, मैंने सुना ही नहीं छलावा.
अच्छा चलो, छलावा को एक और के साथ कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. छलावा, जवानी फिर नहीं आनी.
छलावा. Because of Aswad.
अच्छा, I knew that also, and that's why I didn't keep Shariar and Aswad together.
Yeah,
in the
because
question.
very tough. और फिर परहेट लव
हाँ.
के जो डायरेक्टर है आसिम, वो भी he's a mentor to me. तो
He's a mentor to many, I believe. He's a very senior.
Many.
He's the most senior guy, है ना?
Yes, he's very one of the humblest people I've met. Very humble guy.
And how was your working experience with Bilal Ashraf in that ad, the Sprite ad, right?
Right? Amazing. Bilal is a
Sprite.
very, very, very down to earth guy. He was उस टाइम तक मेरे ख्याल से उसकी मूवी आने वाली थी, आई थिंक वार या वार के बाद, नॉट वार, कोई एक मूवी थी उसकी जो आने वाली थी. आई एम नॉट श्योर. एज आई सेड, आई एम वेरी बैड विद.
Gee, it's all right.
So Bilal was amazing. We had a great 2 days of work, and Asim was there, Shariar was directing it, Shan was there. It was one heck of experience. It was. I can live those days again.
Uh-huh. And I hope you do.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
So Asim Azhar या मोमिना मुस्तहसन?
Asim Azhar. I like his songs.
हानिया आमिर और इकरा अजीज?
Ikra Aziz.
सुनो चंदा या तोहमत?
तोहमत. मेरा कोई लगाव नहीं है सुनो चंदा से.
I heard कि you were in the series of Annie की आएगी बारात and Taki की आएगी
Yes.
बारात. You were a part
That's
of that
where I
also.
started.
Yeah.
Directed by Nadeem Beg and वो कौन है वो एक्ट्रेस जिनके, मरीना खान.
जी.
मरीना खान and Nadeem Beg. Huge cast.
या फिर so मुझे एक बात बताओ. Just a very chilled out question that जब नाम के साथ इतना प्रॉब्लम हो तो स्क्रिप्ट में क्या होता है? स्क्रिप्ट
Yeah,
कैसे याद
now
रहती
is
है?
remembering like the name from. I'm very bad with locations, remembering the names.
Yeah.
पता नहीं क्या. But script is like you read it right now, and I don't even like go through it or learn it or revise it. I just go through once, study it once, read it out, understand the situation, understand why the situation is here, पीछे की scenario पढ़ के आगे क्या हो रहा है, and then I get to it. I don't even take 2-3 looks.
And are you a director actor or you try to improvise also?
Yeah, I try to improvise. क्योंकि मुझे
Do you
ये
have a
लगता है
knack of that?
मुझे ये लगता है कि एक, but if there's the director who's lenient enough to let me improvise, I love to improvise. Otherwise, I would love the director to take charge and bring the different out of me.
And I think plenty of them have done that. है ना?
Yes,
Especially in
plenty
the
of them have done.
हाँ.
Yes.
So what are
मुझे
your
बोलता आप खामोश हो
future?
जाओ.
हाँ.
आप खामोश हो जाओ. मुझे बोलता आप खामोश हो जाओ.
आप डायरेक्टर के विजन के साथ खेल रहे हैं ऑब्वियसली.
मैं डायरेक्टर से हमेशा जो है ना बैठ के पूछ लेता हूँ कि हाउ डू यू सी इट, हाउ डू यू सी दिस कैरेक्टर. फिर मैं उससे जो है ना, दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग यू कैन डू विद अ डायरेक्टर, टू सिट विद हिम and see what's his vision. And then if you find anything disturbing or you find anything that you want to change, you can always talk to him. If he agrees to it, then you follow that through the project.
That's true. Well, obviously, because in the end, he's keeping in mind everything, the whole
You don't want
the
to
whole
mess up with
structure.
the director's vision now.
Absolutely. ताकि एंड में अगर कुछ खराब भी हो तो मेरी तो गलती नहीं थी डायरेक्टर की.
हाँ, डायरेक्टर साहब आप ही बोले.
आप ही ने बोला.
But this is, ये बड़ा एक
हाँ.
प्रॉब्लम होता है शायद यार.
हाँ.
ये एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है कि eventually you're the one who's showing up on the screen.
That's true.
अब बहुत सारी जगहों पे डायरेक्टर इतनी नॉन रियलिस्टिक चीजें बोलता है करने को, और आप बोलते हैं हाउ इज दिस
How?
गाय
Why?
डूइंग दिस. ये इतनी सी बात पे इतना क्यों चीख रहा है?
True. I agree with that.
What is wrong with him? And he doesn't even have anger issues. आपने वो चीज रजिस्टर ही नहीं कराई, और वो अपनी माँ से इस तरह क्यों एकदम बात. बट आपको कभी कभी आप और आपका पूरा मूड खराब हो जाता है.
Yeah.
But,
नहीं, understandable. तो मुझे अच्छा recently I've seen कि initially you used to go to award shows, but I think recently आप नहीं जा रहे.
यार award shows are very hectic, to be honest.
In what sense? Is it the schedule? Because obviously I've been to some, तो मैं देखता हूँ कि time lapse और वो बड़ा होता है उसके अंदर, लेकिन उसके
Even the
बावजूद
last few award shows were like very down the line as from the expectations.
yeah.
You go there, you do the red carpet. I think the only thing I'd be interested in, go and do the red carpet and come back. I don't want to sit and do the retakes over and over again, let the people, because you have got all the celebrities under one roof.
Yeah.
Imagine
True.
me coming at 8:30, letting you wait for 15 minutes. Imagine all the celebrities under one roof.
Yeah, that's true. Sir.
That is one heck of a job. Kudos for the people who do that.
Yeah, because you need to respect them because there are people from all sorts of experiences. I mean, it could be the
Yes.
younger lot, say the most experienced guy. Because आप
Bro,
आगे
back
पुरानी
in the
controversy
days,
सुनते
fashion
रहते हैं.
shows के behind the scenes, backstage पे जो चीजें हो रही होती थी ना, real talk, heads off to her, how she treats everybody.
अच्छा. नहीं, लेकिन आई थिंक पर्सनली जो ये सब चीज, लेकिन एक चीज जो मिस आउट हो गई हमारे क्वेश्चंस में, वो ये मिस आउट हो गई, आपने ये नहीं बताया कि आपकी फैमिली का सपोर्ट कैसा था.
यार फैमिली का सपोर्ट बिल्कुल भी नहीं था शुरू में. अम्मी वाज
अच्छा.
लाइक अच्छा, मैं जब छोटा था ना, मुझे जब भी एड्स की ऑफर्स आती थी और अम्मी बोलती थी कोई सीन ही नहीं है ये, और मैं छोटा था, मैं ये डील ही नहीं करता था, मम्मा ही डील करती थी. But my dad was the one who said these wise words. He was like, do whatever you want to do, just don't regret it in your life. So there should be no regrets. You want to do this, do that. Later on, don't tell me that you could have done that. Since then, I am living my dream. I've been doing whatever I feel like. That was amazing for my dad.
That means my next question would be null and void, because I was about to ask you that what is the biggest mistake of your life?
I don't have none. I think probably few and couple of recently, but not really. Not really the ones I regret. I think every mistake makes you learn from it, and ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने mistakes नहीं किया. I think trusting too much is one of the mistakes I've had. Trusting too much. I've been always the guy कि कुछ भी करने से पहले सबको बता दूँ. I don't believe in stay low. I believe in sharing with everybody. Who's gonna love it, who's gonna not.
I believe ये ऐसे इंसान की वो होती है, साइकी होती है जो या तो इनसिक्योर ना हो या फिर सबका अच्छा ही चाहता है, और क्योंकि खुद दिल में कोई खोट ना हो तो इसीलिए आप सबको बताना चाहते हैं. And you feel that the other person will also be happy for you, है ना?
Yes, or if not happy then it's okay. What जो मेरे लिए नसीब में लिखा है वो तो लिखा हुआ है ना. वो तुम्हारे कुछ भी करने से चेंज नहीं हो सकता. किसी के भी कुछ भी करने से चेंज नहीं हो सकता. अगर मुझे जो चीज 2 साल में मिलनी हो 2 साल में ही मिलनी है, मैं उसके लिए कुछ भी कर लूँ शायद यार,
हाँ ये तो है,
नथिंग
100%।
वुड चेंज। तो बताओ,
अच्छा
सही बताओ, वो सब बात बात की कोट्स
ना
जो इंस्टाग्राम पे आते हैं, स्टे लो, लेट योर एनिमीज कीप बंडलिंग।
बहुत सारे मैं सबको शेयर करता हूँ। पीपल लाइक इट। अच्छा अच्छा, एक जो फाइनल एक तरह से मेरा सेगमेंट ये है कि जो मैंने अवार्ड शोज की बात की, दिस इज अवार्ड शोज विद यासिर, एंड आई विल I will not give you any. Chalo, I will give you options, and you have to tell me the correct answer for it.
Like
Best
who
actor,
should get the best actor?
exactly. Mine. Wait, I'll give you my nominations according to me
Okay, okay,
as
okay.
a viewer. ठीक है? Fawad Khan, Ali Zafar, Yasir Hussain, शरिया मुनव्वर और शान शाहिद.
अब अवार्ड जो होते हैं ना, वो बेसिकली मिलते किस बात पे हैं? किसने कितना बिजनेस किया हुआ होता है, who's more,
जी
who had the more famous movie.
हाँ true.
But according to me, I think Ali Zafar,
Ali Zafar.
actor, as an actor.
Okay, fine. हाँ as an actor. ठीक है. अच्छा, बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस. I'll give you my. It could be anything. It could be TV soap से भी हो सकता है और
कैटेगरी
मूवी से.
चेंज हो जाएगी ना.
नहीं नहीं, ओवरऑल एक्ट्रेस. ठीक है, एक्ट्रेस ऑफ पाकिस्तान. राइट.
Okay.
हाँ, ताकि मुश्किलात में डालूंगा आपको मैं. पहला ऑप्शन महविश हयात, दूसरा ऑप्शन माहिरा, तीसरा ऑप्शन नवाल, चौथा ऑप्शन जारा नूर अब्बास.
Why Nawal is in every category?
I don't know. I like to
You
spice it
write
up.
these questions.
I don't know. I might. I think. Oh yes, I do.
Or what was the fourth one?
Zara Noor Abbas.
Oh, I'd go with very cliched Maira Khan
Best actress.
or Mehwish or Nawal or
Or
Zara. I think
I know
Zara
it's very
Noor
difficult for
Abbas.
you.
Truth be told, Zara Noor Abbas.
Yeah.
She is a phenomenal actress, bro. Amazing.
true.
Love it. Love it. Zara Noor.
Totally agree with you. अच्छा चल. Best film. छलावा, परे हट लव, हो मन जहां, जवानी फिर नहीं आनी.
I've watched Chalawa, Jawani Bhir Nahi Aani, Moman Jahan, Pare Hat Love. Pare Hat
And
Love
Pare
is
Hat
a
Love?
very nice. I think Pare Hat Love.
Pare Love.
Pare Hat Love.
It was made in a very bigger,
It
broader
was a
spectrum.
very nice, locations changing, and
Yeah.
it was experience.
True.
Best movie, best
That's
movie
true.
of the year, बस ठीक है.
चल. अच्छा, लास्ट जी फाइनाले. फ्यूचर प्लान्स. व्हाट आर योर फ्यूचर प्लान्स? क्या कर रहे हैं अब आगे?
यार 3 projects in the pipeline.
ओके ग्रेट.
एक की मेरी हीरोइन है मरियम नूर, जो मैंने लाहौर में किया, जिसमें शफकत जी में, उसका नाम है भूल. और तुम्हें मजेदार बात बताऊं, अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स के नाम भी भूल जाता हूँ. भूल उसका नाम है. सौतेली ममता इज ऑलरेडी ऑन हम टीवी. I'll be coming really soon in that drama, जिसकी कल शूट है, मुझे कल जाना है, which is with Nawal. I'm playing a negative character in it. And the other one is called Ishq Mohabbat Khel Tamasha. Ishq Khel Tamasha या Mohabbat Khel Tamasha, which hasn't started yet. 7 से उसकी shoot शुरू होना है.
Oh, very good. So plenty of things coming ahead for you, है ना?
Yes, and then
Great
there
thing,
are
man.
like a lot of Eid shoots. I recently did
वो
diners. लॉरेंस कपूर का भी आने वाला है. इमरान राजपूत is already there. So 3 or 4
Lawrence
podcast
Pulkar, I remember I asked you, Lawrence Pulkar, I loved the suit which you were wearing. I had a crush on that suit. So it was really cool.
Bro,
Seriously.
go get your discounts. Use my user code.
I'll give that for sure. तो अच्छा ये है उसके अलावा तो अच्छा the last question to end up is what are you seeing yourself doing after 20 years? Are you doing a business, a production, or acting?
20 years. I
Yeah.
honestly am a guy who don't think about 20 years. I don't even know 5 years if I'd be dead or alive. But I think I'd still be acting. I'd still be acting, and I'd be working in business. I'd be having my own businesses, which I'll be starting soon after the quarantine.
So what about your marital status? When is that changing?
I don't think so. It's changing.
Oh, what?
I really like it this way.
You really like it this way, and why is
Yeah,
that?
I
So are
think
you at the?
it's not meant to be
So these
with me.
days, on your Facebook page, you're single, but is it complicated?
Relationship.
Uh,
I'm single according to my Facebook pages. I'll take that.
yeah. But that's the catch. But
Does
is it
my Instagram
complicated?
look like that?
Not at all.
Not at all. So it's contradicting. I think I'm in a very nice state right now, and
Which is good. Which is good.
I don't think so. I guess I'm single right now. Yes.
Okay. All right.
Happy or
Okay.
not happy, but I'm single.
Okay. Obviously, you won't be happy because it's complicated. It's all right. It's okay.
No. Yes, it's complicated.
ऐसा
Relationships
क्यों होता
are
है कि
complicated.
सेलिब्रिटीज के लिए ये चीज बड़ी मुश्किल होती है? Why? Is there a fear of losing fan following, or is there a
No.
fear of losing this popularity? Because there is a popularity fiasco होता
There's
है
a
लोगों
fair.
में कि
I'll tell you the secret. All these celebrities got a fear of an image.
yeah.
That
Do
is
you?
one thing. I don't. You have seen me. I say all the
Exactly.
curse words
That's the
while I'm
reason. You know
live.
what? True. That's the reason. The best thing I like about you. It's not कि मैं end कर रहा हूँ इसको मैं इसलिए अच्छा बन रहा हूँ मेरे साथ ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है ठीक है बिल्कुल
I
भी
know.
नहीं और
तुम्हें अभी 2 मिनट नहीं लगेंगे मुझ पे जुगत लगाने पे.
है ना तो बात ये है कि the reason जो मैं end हमेशा यही करता हूँ कि the reason of why I called you here, why you're here,
Thank you.
is it's not only because there is a presence of you in the market now, mashallah sir, say it. People know you, you're a celebrity, and not only a celebrity, a sensible celebrity. You know, down to earth, or having no issues with anybody, talking your mind off, and that's what I wanted to do with you. And the reason I came here and talked to you was, let's have a talk with a guy whose name is Yasir, not a model or an actor Yasir. All right. So it was absolutely great. एक क्वेश्चन रह गया है उसके बारे में इसलिए नहीं पूछ रहा क्योंकि उस बारे में आपने कल बहुत ज्यादा पूछा बात की लव के बारे में और फ्रेंडशिप
So
के
we
बारे
can do
में.
it. You save these lives, right?
Yeah, I do.
So we
And I
can
will be
ask.
posting it on Facebook with this live session so that सब देख लें, and I'll definitely personally tag Nawal in it so that she'll know that you haven't chosen her in that best actress category.
Don't tag Nawal. she'll see it anyway.
So it was nice to have you, Yasir. Thank you so much.
You said one more question.
So that was the love one. No, that's why I'm keeping it. You wanted to keep asking.
I don't mind.
Chalo,
You can have
theek hai.
5 more
I
minutes.
ask you. So first of all, love or friendship? What is for you? What does it work? How does it work? Does love work or friendship works for you?
Love
in your
never
life?
works in my case.
Okay.
I think friendship.
Okay, and love is an illusion. You want to
Love is
elaborate
an
on that?
illusion. It's a delusion. It's an illusion. It is something. But I strongly believe in love if it's done with the right person.
And
I strongly
basically,
believe in
you
that.
and you strongly believe in what position you are right now. You're in the right position with love.
I believe in what is supposed to happen happens, and you cannot just cry about it. You cannot whine about it. You have to accept things. You have to accept the reality.
True.
एंड प्यार एक ऐसी चीज है कि वो जरूरी नहीं है कि आप साथ रहें तो प्यार है, साथ ना रहें तो प्यार है. प्यार is there.
बिल्कुल.
There is love between you and me too. You know what I'm saying? There's a love between
Absolutely,
our friends,
100%,
our family.
100%.
So, but the वो जो boyfriend
जरूर.
girlfriend वाला जो वाला love है,
Yeah.
that's very, because two different people with two different backgrounds coming together. अगर वो चीज लोगों को समझ आ जाए, so it becomes more easier. Otherwise, you're a happy married man. Tips,
Yeah.
please.
Happy marriage. That's for another time. Because there are too many tips. There's pros and cons to everything. So yeah. But when you find the right person, I believe then it's right. I think you find the right person and you have. So that's why you're in a
Yes.
good place, I believe.
Yes, yes, it
Yes,
changes
I
your
can.
life completely.
Bilkul. Your
Everything
Instagram
looks
shows
pretty.
it, you know? Exactly. Your Instagram shows you're sad to happy. And that phase, if you think, it's the same phase when you actually met that person or you're with that person,
Yes,
you know? Something. You know?
bro. If I'm in love, it changes me as a complete different man.
Yeah.
Everything
That's
looks
true.
so pretty. And when you're not in love, everything looks so bad. So I like the
True.
feeling
And you're
of being
looking
in love.
good. Exactly. You're looking good because you're in love and it's great to know. And it's all right. So
Thank
yeah,
you. I
life.
think that's with the question, Sharia.
Yeah, that is all with my questions.
Thank you, Sharia. Thank you, Sharia, for asking me out, calling my name. Thank you so much for having this wonderful session. I am looking forward for couple of more, and I hope you keep going with it.
Thank you.
And
My pleasure.
you grow your audience, start posting on YouTube and everything. This is one of a heck of a ride, a half an hour, one heck of a ride. It was amazing, brilliant
Thank
questions.
you.
You're such amazing
Thank,
host, and you're
thank you.
amazing dancer too, and a
Oh,
brilliant
well.
daughter. Guess who's multi-talented over here?
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Sharia.
you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much. With
Yasir.
all the love and respect, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखो इंशाल्लाह दुआ में याद
आप भी
रखो.
अपना ख्याल रखिए and thank you so much.
Thank you, Sharia. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.
Save it so I'll share it.
Yeah, yeah, I will definitely.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Oh, sorry, Michelle. I just saw your one question. If you want, I will give it to him if you want. So you can just send and DM me or DM Yasir. I'll make sure that he reads your messages. Michelle, thank you so much, everybody, and it was great to have you all. And I see a lot of viewers around. So yeah, thank you, and take care and God bless.